Are you ready? Let's dive in.
This cake tastes. The correct answer is good. Tastes functions as a linking verb here, so we use the adjective good to describe the cake. You did a job on your presentation. The correct answer is good. The word job is a noun. Good is an adjective, and adjectives describe nouns, so we say a good job. The team played in the finals. The correct answer is well. Played is a verb, so we use the adverb well to describe how the team played. She is a dancer. The correct answer is good. Dancer is a noun, and good is the adjective that describes it. He speaks French very. The correct answer is well. Speaks is a verb, so we use the adverb well to describe how he speaks French. You look. Today, did you do something different with your hair? The correct answer is good. When look refers to appearance, we use the adjective good. The soup smells. The correct answer is good. Smells is a linking verb here. It describes the soup, so we use the adjective good. That idea sounds. The correct answer is good. Sounds is a linking verb here, so we describe the idea with good. After a long rest, the dog seemed. Again. The correct answer is well. Seemed is a linking verb, and here it's referring to the dog's health, so well is appropriate. She became at managing stress. The correct answer is good. Became is a linking verb, and it connects the subject with the adjective good. The music sounds really. The correct answer is good. Sounded is a linking verb, so we use good to describe the music. The teacher said I did very on the test. The correct answer is well. Did is an action verb, and we need an adverb to describe how the action was done. Well describes how you performed. My grandmother still cooks very, even at her age. The correct answer is well. Cooks is an action verb, so we use the adverb well to describe how she performs the action. The movie was so that I watched it twice. The correct answer is good. We're describing the quality of the movie, a noun, so we use the adjective good. He doesn't feel after eating too much. The correct answer is well. When referring to physical health, we use well with verbs like feel. The meal you prepared was absolutely. The correct answer is good. Meal is a noun, and we're describing its quality, use good. I know this isn't a time to talk, but it's urgent. The correct answer is good. We're describing the noun time, so we use the adjective good. He's a really listener and an excellent communicator. The correct answer is good. Listener is a noun, and we describe it with the adjective good. She always dresses for interviews. The correct answer is well. Dresses is an action verb, so we use the adverb well. He plays chess quite for his age. The correct answer is well. Plays is an action, we describe it with the adverb well. I had a cold last week, but now I feel enough to go back to work. The correct answer is well. When feel refers to health or physical condition, used well. They stayed throughout the storm, quietly sitting and following instructions. The correct answer is good. Stayed is used as a linking verb here. Good, it describes their state of behavior. The teacher appeared during the meeting, showing a clear understanding of the subject. The correct answer is good. Appeared is a linking verb, which normally pairs with an adjective like good. Not only is she a writer, but she also expresses her ideas. The correct answer is good, well. Writer, noun, takes good, adjective, expresses, verb, takes well, adverb. I feel today, with no more fever or body aches. The correct answer is well. Feeling in the context of health takes well. I don't think this paint job looks very. The correct answer is good. Looks is a linking verb describing appearance, so we use good. The performance was so that even the critics wrote about it. The correct answer is good. Performance is a noun being described, so use the adjective good. You've trained the new staff surprisingly. The correct answer is well. Trained is a verb, so we use the adverb well. The pie smells, but does it taste as it looks? The correct answer is good, good. Smells, tastes, and looks are all linking verbs describing qualities. Use good. Although he did. In the interview, he wasn't offered the job. The correct answer is well. Did is a verb, so we use the adverb well. It's important to both look and perform. The correct answer is good, well. Look, appearance, good, perform, action, well. The doctor told him he looked, but needed more rest to feel. The correct answer is good, well. Appearance look good, health. Feel well. He seemed really after his vacation, having recovered from that cold he had before the break. The correct answer is well. Seemed refers to his health or condition, so we use well. I hope you're feeling after the surgery. The correct answer is well. When talking about health, we usually use well. Feeling well means you're physically better. While the proposal was in theory, its practical application was flawed. The correct answer is good. Proposal is a noun, and we're commenting on its quality or strength in theory. Since we're describing a thing, not an action, we use the adjective good. He may look, but emotionally he's struggling. The correct answer is good. This is about appearance, not health. Look as a linking verb here describes how he seems visually, so good is correct. Despite the stressful week, she handled the situation remarkably. The correct answer is well. Handled is an action verb, and we're describing how she did it, so we use the adverb well. Not only does she speak Spanish, but she also writes it fluently. The correct answer is well. Speaks is an action, and we need an adverb to describe her performance, so well is correct.
How did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who's the ultimate quiz master. Want more fun quizzes? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a challenge. New quizzes are coming soon, so stay sharp and keep learning. Until next time, stay curious and keep quizzing.